Guys, hari ni kita main game Football 2026. Tunggu dia tau, dengan logic. Aku nak pause jap, okay? Sekejap korang. Halo guys, lagu ni sangat rare lah. Apa benda ke lah? MP lah. Yo guys, hari ni kita main game. Aku jadi pemain Malaysia guys. Aku jadi ni. Yo guys, aku lawan Iran guys. Lawan Iran. Saya lawan Iran guys. Tengok guys. Saya lawan Iran guys. Okay, tengok guys. You check what's this man. Alah, apa saya buat buku macam tu? Aduh, tak habis dah. Lagu ni MP ke apa guys? Guys pernah main tak lagu tu macam MP? Yo guys, Iran Malaysia. We got a World Cup next time, bro. I mean, guys. Ui, padu lah Malaysia.
Let's have a look at the lineup.
Okay, start. Go.
Position at the back post.
Oh, no.
Oh, great vision.
Boom.
A very timely interception.
Cepat. Tekan Messi. Cepat.
Position at the back post.
Guys.
Cross. Heavy shot. He scored.
Apa benda dia orang pakai guys? Pelik lah dia orang pakai mask. Wow. Shoot.
There goes the ball.
Guys, cepat. Tengok ni. Aku nak elak ni. I got it, bro.
Losing possession. Looking for options.
Lucky direction. Guys. Tengok ni guys. I did it guys. I did it.
Both
I got it,
teams
bro. I got it.
positive intent.
Nah, aku nak sampai keluar mati dah. Guys.
Losing possession.
Losing possession.
Position at the back post.
Tolong guys. Diorang nak start guys. Dah termasuk perangkat diorang. Guys. Alah. Diorang pergi langgar. Tapi tak apa.
So we'll restart with that throw in. Crashes against the post.
Alah, tak kena.
Long pass. Nice one. Hit the post.
Guys.
Reads the play beautifully.
Guys, tengok ni guys. Alah. Guys.
Forward long pass. Nice long ball. Heavy shot.
Shoot. Shot guys.
Oh!
Guys, shot guys. Tengok guys. Shot gila guys. Padu guys. Padu. Padu. Tengok ni guys. Padu. Guys, tengok ni guys. Padu gila guys. Guys. Oh, guys. Tengok ni guys. Padu gila lah. Aku main guys. Hebat kan? Korang jangan lupa ikut sampai game bola.
2-0.
Sebab tu aku cukup main bola guys. Ini Malaysia guys. Aku tengok Malaysia.
Losing possession.
Guys. Come on guys.
Oh,
Gato.
great vision.
Cepatlah Gato.
Fails to keep the ball.
Cepatlah Gato.
Cross into the middle. Going for goal. Goal.
Dahsyat lah. Orang pakai mask ni siapa ni guys? Ada yang pakai mask. Ni siapa ni? Pakai apa ni? Topi. Apa benda ya topi ni? Gila lah guys. Oh. Go.
There goes the ball.
Cepat guys. Cepat guys. Kita sama guys. Kita sana. Sorry. Tak sengaja. Sorry guys. Sabar. Go. Cepat. Cepat Gato boleh.
Position at the back post.
Cepat Gato. Kau boleh Gato. Biar je. Abang pakai je. Cepat Gato. Kau boleh Gato. Boleh. Betul Gato. Cepat Gato.
Losing
Alah.
possession.
Tolong.
Fails to keep the ball.
Go kick. Tahu tak apa. Aku dah nak cepat. Go. Follow kick. Follow kick. Kembali. Betul. Janji. Kali ni je.
Forward long pass.
Ogato. Gila lah Ogato. Hebat lah Ogato. Ogato ni dia nak pakai apa ni? Ogato. Man. Again. Come on. Kita main next round pula. Guys, kita main next round guys. Half time guys. Kita main next round. Dulu. Cepatlah. Guys. Cuba guys. Ogato. Cepat Ogato. Kau boleh. Betul janji Ogato. Kau boleh. Betul Ogato. Betul. Alah. Ogato. Oh. Sebaik tak kena.
Just lacking accuracy.
Apa sah kau pergi tendang sana? Cepat. Ogato, kau boleh betul. Hebat tu.
Fails to keep the ball.
Sorry guys, telefon aku lag. Alah tu lah.
Fails to keep the ball.
Cepat Ogato, kau boleh.
What a good pass that
Kau
is.
boleh. Biar je. Tak payah kacau. Biar je. Teruskan. Tak payah tengok orang. Biar je. Alah.
Reads the play beautifully.
Aku nak lalu pun susah. Go. Ogato.
Showing signs of fatigue.
Alah.
Great opportunity for a great play.
Guys, tolong support. Tolong support kita orang guys. Kalau suka video lah. Kalau tak suka video tak apa. Tak payah like, subscribe. Kalau suka kena like, subscribe guys. Tolong.
Losing possession.
Alah. Di sana lah. Ya.
Play it long.
Get out this year. Tak ada. Alah.
Great intervention ahead of the opposition players. Pushing
Guys.
forward.
Tolong.
Losing possession.
Losing possession.
Good ball movement in a decent position here.
Guys, tolong. Aku dah termasuk perangkap guys. Tolong.
Nice through ball. Losing possession.
Guys, tolong guys. Cepat. Boleh kali ni.
Position at the
Alah.
back post. Fails to keep
Alah,
the
tak
ball.
dapat guys. Guys, tolong guys. Aku dah termasuk perangkap guys.
Losing possession.
Guys, tolong.
Forward long pass.
Ni. Guys. Tolong.
Decision making. It's in.
Shoot.
Plenty of power on that. What a perfect hat-trick.
Patrick. Kenapa nama dia Patrick? Pula. Go. Nice round guys. Sorry, aku tengah pas guys. Nice round guys. Tolong guys. Tolong guys.
Losing possession. Oh, great vision.
Guys. Tolong guys.
Possession nicely.
Guys. Dangkul. Sorry guys.
Beautiful
Alah.
long pass.
Alah, ada orang pergi langgar lah.
It's a substitution.
Guys, aku dah kena tukar size. Guys, tolong guys, jangan aku lag guys. Banyak ni kena tukar orang. Relax lah. Tolong guys, jangan aku lag guys. Tolong.
So we'll restart with that throw-in. That was
Alah,
an
tak kena.
amazing save.
Sikit lagi nak gol.
Oh, so close.
Guys, kita berhasil guys. Jangan guys. Haaland.
The
Malaysia.
cross is coming in. Might be able to
Alah.
get it behind the
Dah habis gol. Okay guys, jumpa tengok video.